right, one of the hottest new pistols for 2017 was the Hudson H9. You guys know this. We have multiple back orders for. Cannot get enough of them. They are gearing up. They have shipped more in the month of January than they did all of last year so far. So they're gearing up. They're making more. But on top of that, you guys have came out with a new variant of the H9, and Lauren's here to tell us about it.
Guys, this is the H9A. The A is for aluminum. We have about 90% parts commonality between the H9 and the H9A, but the H9A is half a pound lighter. Your grip is made out of aluminum as opposed to steel with the H9. Your grip panels are now polymer, and we went with an aggressive grip texture. Got a lot of people saying that they really like that this year. Our back straps on the H9 were G10 and steel. On this, they're both polymer, and we kept that aggressive grip texture on the bottom as well. And if you've seen the slide on the H9, you'll notice that the H9A slide has a slightly slimmer profile. We allowed that chamfer to carry all the way out to help us with our weight savings.
Okay.
One other feature that you'll notice that is different is that we opted for a fiber optic front sight. We have not picked a company that we're partnered with on that yet, but that's what SHOT Show is all about.
Very true. So what's production looking like for these? When are these going to start shipping?
We are not making that mistake this year, so we have not announced a date, but we are aggressively moving into production as soon as we can get through all the testing we want to put through its paces.
And we also saw a threaded barrel version in there.
There is.
So
yes.
That's coming too?
Yep, we'll be offering the barrel as an e-commerce option, or we'll be pushing it out to our distributors as well. Can fit in either the H9 or the H9A.
As always, I tell you guys to go to our website, and if you want one, if you have any interest in one of, wanting to purchase one, normally just hit the notify me button, but I would highly suggest on any of these Hudson 9 pistols, make sure that you go ahead and put a back order in for one of these, because if you don't put a back order in for one, you're probably not going to get it. But they are shipping. You guys cranked up production. You're a new company, so there's a...
dialing it in.
That's right. It takes time. Nothing happens overnight.
It does not.
It's an awesome product, and we appreciate you guys making it.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
All right, so something Lauren wanted us to try and see what we thought about it. You know, there was a lot of, I guess, the notion that the 9 was so flat shooting, so mild recoiling was because of the weight. So right now we're going to shoot the steel frame first, then we're going to shoot the aluminum. We're going to see if there's a difference. All right, now the 9A, aluminum frame, quite a bit lighter. Lauren notes that we shouldn't see a hell of a lot of difference in the recoil. I can't tell the difference, really. So, quite a bit lighter, same amount of recoil, same pushback, a lot less weight. As always, like I said, we'll have these on our website, kygunco.com. If you really, really want one, you need to put a deposit down on one.